What's up YouTube? This is Braden, and today I'm going to show y'all guys how to screen record your iPhone with audio. So I learned this, I guess, trick slash feature of the iPhone about a month ago, and I've been using it to record my Acorns app reviews. So I'm going to show y'all guys how to access it onto your own iPhone. There goes a little update of Texas. Mo Bamba tonight, Texas basketball. I go to UT. Shout out to them. But anyways, in order to add this feature onto your iPhone, you will hit Settings and scroll down to the Control Center, and then go to Customize Controls. As you can see, under the Include section is everything that's already included onto your hotbar. As you can see, I already have screen recording on there, which is what you want to access. Another shout out UT. But initially, the screen recording will be under More Controls, and you'll have to manually put that into the Include section. So all you do for this, as an example, I'll use the Apple TV remote. All you do is hit the plus sign, and it automatically goes into the Include section. What this means is you can go to the home screen, and you can flick up onto the hotkeys, and as you can see on the bottom left, the screen recording is right there, and also the Apple TV is there as well. As you can see, it's blinking red. This is because I'm using it currently to record this video. All you would do is hit that button, and it would give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Then it would be automatically recording your screen. As you can see, I have that red bar up there, which shows that it's recording. Now, to turn the audio on, all you would do is hold down the icon, and as you can see, the microphone audio is right below it, and it's currently on. If you just added it, it would be off, and all you do is hit the microphone, and it would automatically turn on. What this means is any sound coming out of your speaker, or for me, I use headphones and use that speaker, it'll automatically be recorded with any display you're having on your iPhone. Once you're done using using the screen recording, you would hit stop, and it would automatically be sent into the video section of your iPhone, which is really easy access. As you can see, I already have a ton of screen recordings on here a couple of times where I've done this video and sounded like a complete idiot, so I had to redo it. But anyways, that's how you use the screen recording on an iPhone. I currently have the 6S. Pretty sure it works for all different kinds of iPhones. I am not, however, sure about any other devices such as Android, but that is how you use the screen recording with audio on your iPhone. Please like the video and comment for any improvements or feedbacks anything you want to say to me. In the future, I'm looking forward to uploading more Acorns and a Robinhood app review. If y'all want anything else, just please let me know and comment below. Other than that, have a great day, and thank you all.